Many parents quietly carry a difficult question in their hearts. Is it too late to repair the relationship with my child? When tension or distance has lasted for a long time, it is easy to begin losing hope. Parents may feel that too many mistakes have been made, or that the relationship has already changed too much. But relationships between parents and children are unique. Even when misunderstandings grow, the emotional bond often remains deep. In my own experience, I discovered that change in a relationship does not always require both people to begin at the same time. Sometimes, when one person begins approaching the relationship differently, the dynamic slowly shifts. Children notice when their parents become more patient. They notice when judgments softens. They notice when curiosity replaces criticism. Healing in relationships rarely happens through one dramatic conversation. More often, it begins with small changes in the way we listen, respond, and understand each other. These small changes can gradually rebuild trust, and sometimes they open the door to new conversations that were not possible before. If your relationship with your child feels difficult today, it may not be the end of the story. Sometimes it is simply the beginning of a new chapter in how both people learn to understand each other.